Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my friends to TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Stellenbosch 0. Stellenbosch wins via penalties. I'm joined by Coach Njabulo.
Wala thiwo
Fili
sapunja nje yami
angimnandi
amangicela ukubamba isandla kuqala man kunini ngifuna uku-interview bro wami yeah man isikhathi mara sesifikile
God's time is the best time.
sure
Hey.
amnani
Yeah.
sure bro wami
Yeah, sure.
yeah man awuthi sincenge yabona
Abangene.
yeah emara ngiyakhala man nge-Kaizer Chiefs wena
Ukhala ngani?
yeah standard se-Kaizer Chiefs man mele sikhuphuke man
Strophy.
you understand too much wena Thibo bro
Yeah,
wami
yeah.
yazi man my player
Sure.
mele ube na that thing man that pride
Yeah.
uyangithola angiyiboni emajiteni la idea
Batonsinya.
uyangithola
VAR.
yeah angijabulisi lento engiyibonayo
Yeah.
but I'd like to credit Fede
Ubani.
iwork rate kaMthethwa.
Ox.
Yeah, I work rate kaMthethwa
Yeah.
is I think they can take a leaf from his book Balene, you know, because sometimes he's overworked.
Yes.
He recovers the ball,
Yes.
and then they expect him ukuthi a drive and a ball ayenzeni.
Yeah.
And I think that's the unfortunate thing nge-midfield the-Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
They've got Ox is a seater.
Yeah.
You understand? For me, I felt like they had to sign Pepele Sithole,
Yeah.
somebody who can drive with the ball, somebody who can push. You understand? Because there's too much space between the defense ne attack.
Sure.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure,
You understand?
sure.
So that's why bangakhona ukudominate
Bahlala too deep.
too deep, and they can't dominate.
Mabuwe kambani.
Yeah, angazi angicavi ukhambani ngomabuwe nami angazi wayangakayitholi igame time. You
Yeah,
understand? But nje negame yaFandag man, I don't think it was a good advert for South African football.
Yeah.
I'd love to see kwenzakalani eJimini, because even Stellenbosch man nayo I didn't see ukuthi bane plan
Yeah.
or whatever. But okay, fortunately when the game before batholi red card,
Sure.
mase bafaka bo Dion, mase bafaka substitute, sure, and then things started changing. You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
Bewakhona lawo ma combination, but unfortunately they didn't progress it to the final third. Goodbye be threat to Kaizer Chiefs, uyangithola out yami. But all in all ngasho ukuthi congratulations to Stellenbosch. Bebanayo that thing yokuthi babekezele. You understand? They had courage, ama-player wayo, even though it was not pretty football, it's a cup game vele. Our coach was skeptically, they didn't want to go all out. But I would encourage Steve Barker man ukuthi he's got the quality. You understand? Akabhilivele kula ma-player, agayela ama-player i-freedom. Ama-players express, ama-player adlale ngendlela akwazi ukudlala ngayo, because manje man uyabona ngathi man instruction ka coach ne-will ye-player uyangu-understand wena bro ayikho ne-thinking out of the box. But all in all ngasho ukuthi man we can do better.
Man of the match, coach.
Man of the match ngizothi ama-fans we-Chiefs.
Ama-fans. I am a player, okay.
Ama-player we-Chiefs hayi. But all in all ngithi congratulations to Mthethwa nje
Sure.
uyangu-understand.
Yeah.
He just needs a partner
Yeah.
who can accommodate,
Uzokhuphula
ibhola adrive nebhola aphushe man. Yabona besibukela abo Steven Gerrard abo Tsovile akazi uyangu-understand ama midfielder akwazi ukudrive nebhola ukuthi kube i-threat ne-defense nayo. Yabona mabahleli static babe nenkinga ukuthi okay nama-movement you understand. Nepoint engifuna ukuli-add man, ama-fans we-Chiefs awabe patient ngomayo. I think there's something down. You understand? I think there's something. Nomfana must come down kancane, play for the team, angadlaleli individual. First of all, that confidence, that arrogance, you understand? We need ama-player anjalo eKasi. That is our style. You understand? Emntwini yabona ngibonanga nama-player ayi-1 we-Chiefs aya 1-on-1 alanda i-defender. You understand? Bayagijima bathola ibhola bajika.
Shabalala.
Yeah man. Angazi ngayithini. But ke all in all nje the guys can do better. Stivo. As a neutral mina I'm not too impressed about today's game. Angifuna ukukutshela manga nje. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga nje.
Ay.